box break. I just wanted to throw this out there. I got 3 more of these boxes left. I bought a 4 box case from Tops, straight from Tops. I'd like to sell the other 3. Um, I priced them. I've seen them for going for 285 bucks now on a certain site. So I'd like to get 250 for them if anybody's interested. All right, we'll start with my break. Box topper was numbered to 199. So my refractors. The first 3 are black refractors, numbered to 25. Those are just the regular refractors. Alright, my jerseys. And here are my autos. And my bigger hits, I did get a black refractor autograph. That's numbered to 25. I was really happy to get this Jason Hayward autograph. And I even pulled a red autograph. And that's numbered 1 of 1. And I also pulled this redemption, Steven Strasburg. Alright, well, if anybody's interested, let me know. Like I said, I'd like to sell the other 3 boxes I have, 250 each. They keep going up in price, so it's a pretty good deal right now. So, alright, thanks for watching.